Hari Om. With great reverence, I would like to invite our distinguished leaders and Swamiji to kindle the lamp.
ॐ दीपज्योति परब्रह्म दीप सर्व तमोपः दीपेन साध्यते सर्वं सन्ध्यादीप नमोऽस्तु ते
Now I request our management members to present a bouquet of flesh flowers to Swamiji as a token of respect. Thank you so much, sir. With great respect, I would like to invite our Honorable Chairman, Shri Avnash Mahindra, to express his words of admiration for Swamiji. Thank you.
Hari Om. Please settle down immediately. Swami Chidrupananda ji is no stranger to you. You have listened to him number of times, and I am happy that whenever we request him, he obliges us. Yesterday he conducted a one-day camp at Jinman Ashram, and today in the evening he is to deliver a talk on tips for tension-free life. Do you need this? कि सब टेंशन फ्री ऑलरेडी हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। जो नहीं आएंगे इसका मतलब वो टेंशन फ्री हैं, तो आप मुझसे टिप्स ले सकते हैं। जो नहीं आएंगे शाम को, दे आर टेंशन फ्री, और जो आप लोग आएंगे उनसे भी टिप ले सकते हैं। भी आप हमें भी बता दो कुछ हैं तो आई इनवाइट यू ऑल फॉर द इवनिंग टॉक ऑल्सो 6:30 to 8 at Chinmay Mishra Ashram. So without wasting any time, I request straight away, क्योंकि half an hour is given to him for talk and then 10-15 minutes for question and answer session. Swamiji, please start your talk. Thank you very much.
हरि ओम ओम समस्तजन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् So relevance of Bhagavad Gita in our day-to-day life. You know, first of all, we must know Gita was taught to whom? Arjuna. Who was Arjuna? Well-read, successful man in the world, great warrior, never tasted failures, always having high confidence, and he already waged many wars in the world. Such a man, do we expect him to suddenly come to the field of war field and say, I can't fight? Think about it. We all have many, maybe we are all experienced, a lot of, in whatever way in life we have got experience as a teacher or as a mother, as a whatever, as a human being. Maybe. Yet, when challenge comes to me, I may not be in a position to face it. पूर्व का जो हम अनुभव लेकर के चलते हैं कि हम इतना अनुभवी हैं, हमारे साथ कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ भी हो जाए हम देखेंगे, देखा जाएगा, इस तरह का एटीट्यूड अर्जुन को था। मैं इनको मार दूंगा, सत्यानाश कर दूंगा कौरवों को। संस्कृत में बोलते हैं प्रगल्भ, माने टॉकिंग टू मच अबाउट हिमसेल्फ। तो सबसे पहले ये समझना है कि गीता वाज टॉट टू अर्जुना एंड लकी, you know what was the good quality of Arjuna? Had this not been there in him, Bhagavan Krishna would not have told Gita. What was it? In the first chapter, if you see, he was only talking, giving logic and reasoning why we should not fight. Oh, he was trying to convince Bhagavan. He was trying to justify. He was trying to get a nod from Bhagavan Krishna. Oh, Arjuna, you are right. Okay, let us go back. In the entire first chapter, Bhagavan Krishna did not utter a word. वो सुनता रहा, सुनता रहा, सुनता रहा। फिर भी पूछा है कि भाई अकस्मात अचानक ऐसा क्या हो गया तुमको? Suppose you call somebody as a great speaker and suddenly he stammers and then says, I can't speak. Hey, world renowned speaker you are. Suddenly started shaking. What happened to you? Or world renowned musician. तो फिर बोला, भगवान कृष्ण ने ही प्रश्न पूछा. Then again he said, so in life, कार्पण्य दोषो अपहत, मेरा स्वभाव जो है, स्वभाव meaning what? Warrior, courageous, confident, never tasted failure, all such qualities that which we have in us, with respect to our own field, मेरा स्वभाव है, उसको छीन लिया गया. अपहत स्वभाव, somebody has stolen away my original nature. I lost my origin. Who I am, I forgot. And other meaning is that kripanata, karpanya dosha means what? जब मनुष्य को कर्तव्य अकर्तव्य का ज्ञान नहीं होता, then only we are confused. कर्तव्य का ज्ञान माने what to do in a given period of time. Students are there. What to do in my career from July to March, academic year. What to do, when and how to do. If the clarity is not there, it is missing, then I am called confused guy. कब पकड़ना है, कब छोड़ना है. So गीता यही सिखाती है हमको जीवन में कि whatever you are holding on to, when to hold and when to drop. First lesson. When to hold, when to drop. When to do, when to withdraw. Think, my dear. How long to watch TV and when to withdraw from watching TV. First lesson. Second, Bhagavan Krishna taught Arjuna only when Arjuna has surrendered to Bhagavan Krishna. He said, मेरे पास अभी कोई लॉजिक बचा ही नहीं, जो लॉजिक बचा था सब कुछ सुना दे मैं आपको. But Bhagavan Krishna did not move an inch. He was just standing and listening to him. बोलो, और कुछ है बाकी बोलने का? बोल बोल के थक गया. When he was completely exhausted with his logic and supportive arguments, at that time he said, now I don't know. Yes, Sreyasyat Nishchitam Bruhi. What is good to me, please teach me, because I am having now Karpanya dosha, meaning I do not know, I lost the wisdom to know and to what to do and what not to do. This clarity is missing in life. Oh, wonderful. I tell you, Bhagavad Gita, I have been studying and spoken many umpteen number of times. I don't know how many thousands of lectures we gave. Every time I enjoy the taste on my palate. So the clarity when it is missing, what is confusion? When clarity is lost. So Gita is useful for us. And in a day, we lose our clarity many times. अरे भैया, you cannot decide a hotel में जाके menu also you cannot decide rightly on time. आधा घंटा घंटा लगा देते हो, ऑर्डर करने के बाद फिर वापस बोला देते हो, अच्छा अच्छा मैंने क्या कहा ना, ये कैंसिल कर दो, ये ऐड कर लेना। होता है कि नहीं? The one who has got clarity what to eat this time, what my age, my food, timing, halka khana hai, whatever it is, I have decided, go and eat and come. Clarity is required, no? So Gita gives you clarity for life, first point. And second point is, you will be taught in life either by nature or by guru or any guide or counselor. You can really benefit from teaching. As you are listening to me right now, you will really benefit only when you surrender. Unless Arjuna surrendered to Bhagavan Krishna totally, Bhagavan Krishna did not utter a word. He said, please tell me what is good to me, what is to be done by me. Hey Bhagavan, I am holding on to your feet. You are the only one guide to guide me, to bring me out of this state of confusion. I am not able to think myself. Please guide me. That time Bhagavan Krishna spoke to Arjuna. Only after surrender. आजकल कोई भी व्यक्ति किसी का सुनता भी नहीं, डॉक्टर के बात सुनते नहीं, लॉयर के बाद जो भी कंसल्ट, किसी भी कंसल्टेंट के पास बात जा, टीचर के बात स्टूडेंट सुनते नहीं, प्रिंसिपल्स की बात टीचर सुनते नहीं. आई कैन गो अप लाइक मजाक करके, चेयरमैन की बात कौन नहीं सुनते, वॉट एवर इट इज, एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. माने देर इज ए ऑलवेज इन हायरार्की, वी डोंट लिसन टू एनीबडी. Children don't listen to parents. Parents don't listen to their parents. We don't listen. First of all, listen, no. So therefore, my dear, unless you surrender in life to somebody in whom you have faith, full faith, you will not grow in life. Unless you surrender to Google map and you don't know the route, I just follow the Google. वो गली गली ले जाते हैं कभी कभी, बोलते हैं स्वामी ऐसे क्यों घूम के आए हो, सीधे आना था. अब मुझे क्या बताऊं भैया, बाबा सीधा आए, पता ही नहीं मुझे शहर के बारे में, वो गली गली घुमाता है गूगल. Google has his own logic. I surrendered, but at least Google will take me to the destination. Think, my dear. कोई गूगल लगाया, कोई पहुंच गया, बोला कि you have reached your destination. आगे देखा तो रात को था, दीवार दिख रहा था, वहाँ पे बोर्ड लगा हुआ है शमशान घाट. You have reached your destination. वो घबरा गया वो. फिर फोन किया, अबे तू कहाँ, कौन सा लोकेशन दिया तुमने? मैं शमशान घाट का. वहाँ तक तो पहुँच गया ना, उसके पीछे हमारा घर है. तो घूम के आ जाओ. गूगल वहाँ तक के ले जाता है. तो डरा, पहले बोलना था. मैंने ऐसे फन, हमको ऐसे सबको रुलाता हूँ मैं. शमशान घाट के सामने गेट गाड़ी खड़ी हो गई, बोले you have reached your destination. So my dear, second lesson important. First is clarity. Second is surrender to somebody in life if you want to really grow. You have no other option sometimes. When you don't know, you have to ask somebody. Okay. Third point. First message of Bhagavad Gita is, do not justify your sorrows. That logic Bhagavan Krishna gives in second chapter. He says, किसी भी हालत में भगवान कृष्णा says, the smile on your lips cannot fade away and you cannot justify your sorrows. What a wonderful statement it is. And he says, भगवान कृष्ण के हिसाब से, there is nothing in this world with which you can cry or due to which you can wail. Ashocyan anvashocastvam. You are wailing for those who are not supposed not to be wailed for, not to be cried for. इससे ज़्यादा क्या हो सकता है? हमारे आदमी खड़े हैं, मेरे रिश्तेदार खड़े हैं, गुरु लोग खड़े हैं, उनको मारना है और मृत्यु ही, मैक्सिमम पेन इज मृत्यु, either your death or others, your near and dear one's death. That is the highest sorrow in life for a human being. And Bhagavan Krishna says, there also you should not wail. See the standard. So second important thing is, remember, when whenever when I say we are always in sorrowful mood only, doesn't matter. Whenever मैं बोलने के लिए बोलता हूँ, whenever हम दुख में हैं, जब हम दुख में हैं, जब क्या हमेशा दुख में ही हैं हम सब, doesn't matter. तो क्या है, when the sorrow is there, question this: is it worthy to wail, to cry? Is it sorrow worthy? Any situation, come what may, that should not cause any sorrow. This is what Gita अंदर से हम सबको मजबूत बना देती है, गीता मैया. Bhagavan Krishna says there is nothing to wail in this life. I always ask students also, and I counsel many people. Say fail होने का डर लग रहा है, अच्छा ठीक है, लॉजिक बनाओ. Suppose ask your own mind. I always say, no, last time also I said, exams and fear, only एक ही हटा सकते हो, exam or fear. Exam को हटा नहीं सकते, fear को हटाना है. There is no other रास्ता for us. Oh, I have to undergo operation, open heart surgery. Fear and surgery. What is it you can give up? What option is there? I also underwent knee surgery long back. And I'm very interesting thing. I was on operation table, very critical, big operation on the knee. So anyway, our Dr. Satyanarayana, his name is anesthetist, and the beautiful orthopedic surgeon. I was lying down in operation theater, and they are about to preparing, and then the spinal anesthesia already is given. Then they will give general anesthesia before operation begin. And then I was checking my BP, and he asked me, Swami ji, आपका BP 120/80 ही है, बढ़ता क्यों नहीं? ऑपरेशन टेबल पे. मैंने पूछा बढ़ना जरूरी है क्या? नहीं, मेरे को आश्चर्य लग रहा है, इतने बड़े ऑपरेशन होने वाला है आपको अभी. We are now going to give you general anesthesia, big operation it is. We don't know how it comes out, whether you will be able to walk freely afterwards, and then we don't know. But your BP is normal. I said, my dear, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ बताओ. मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन है, either surrender to you or worry. Best option is what? Surrender. दौड़ नहीं सकता हो ना, you are not a good doctor करके. Remember, there is no option for us to be afraid of, only to face life as it comes. Traffic jam, what is it you can do? You can't even get down. Why? Door will not open. इधर गाड़ी, उधर गाड़ी, आगे गाड़ी, पीछे गाड़ी. कब तक बैठे रहे भगवान जाने. कुंभ मेला, I also went to कुंभ. 20 kilometers walk. मेरा जीवन कोरा कागज. सामान उठाओ, चल रहे हो, चलते चलते बस. गाओ, भजन गाओ, मेरे ये गीत याद रखना. माय डियर, क्या कर सकते हो बताओ? एक्सेप्ट इट. और यू गो बैक. नो बट आई वांट, नहाना है कुंभ में, 144 साल के बाद आया है, तो चलो, नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड. Beautiful, no? So all life in challenges may we have no option. So fear has to be given up. Fear and these two I cannot go. With fear rakha to I cannot face. I cannot give up my challenge of my life. So fear has to be given up. एग्जाम फेल हो जाऊंगा, कौन कहता है? मन कहता है. मन से पूछना, तो फेल हो गया समझो, तो बदनाम होता है, तो फिर लिखना पड़ता है, तो keep on asking, तो so मर जाऊंगा, so what? Ask so, mind cannot give you answer at one point, it becomes silent. Great masters have said fear is an emotion. Look at it, dissolve it. It is not you. So Bhagavan Krishna, first message, Gita, first word message, ashokcha, माने शोक मत करो. And what is the last word of the Bhagavad Gita? Charama sloka, ma shuchaha, sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja hantva sarvapapebhyo मोक्षयिष्यामि मां शुचः. सो पहला पद क्या था? उपदेश रोमत. आखिर में क्या था? रोमत. So what is central theme of Bhagavad Gita? Ro mat. That is the message of Bhagavan Krishna. Don't cry. Come what may in life. Second, now another one is, we always complain, सुख दुख, है ना? कभी सुख लगता है, कभी सुख लगता है, कभी दुख लगेगा, कभी सुख होगा, कभी सुख दुख, एंड वे झेलते रहते बीच में, कभी इधर थप्पड़, कभी उधर का थप्पड़, कभी कभी दुख चारों ओर से थप्पड़, ऊपर नीचे से भी मिलकर. अच्छा, भगवान gives a fundamental principle for us. He says, whenever sense organs are coming in contact with sense objects, there arises either sukh or dukh. You cannot avoid. जीवन जीना है तो you cannot avoid sukh and dukh. What do you mean by जीवन? जीना माने we are coming in contact with through sense organs. I am seeing the form through eyes, sound through ears, smell through nose, touch through skin, food, taste through tongue. These experiences are going on. In every experience may either you get sukha or dukkha. It is unavoidable. No, I don't want sukha dukkha. Then die. You are unfit to live in this world. Powerful, no? Matra sparshaastu kaunteya sitoshta sukha dukkhadaha. So, tan titikshasva bharata. My dear Arjuna, learn to bear them, forbearance. Matra sparshaastu kaunteya sitoshta sukha dukkhadaha. Agama apayanoha anityaha. They come and go. So, what do? Titikshasva. Titiksha means forbearance. So, in life, another important lesson for all of us is that I am living, but I don't want dukkha, only sorrow, impossible. Because for every one sukham, two dukkhams are free. 1 + 2, free. Why? सुख से पहले दुख आता है ना, तभी सुख तो पहचान सकते हैं आप, और सुख जब जाएगा तभी दुख होगा. So सुख से पहले दुख, सुख के बाद दुख. So दुख is more or sukh is more. In life, everybody is getting more sorrows only than happiness. It's a fact of life. No, I don't want. Then either you sleep like Kumbhakarna till you die. No sukham, no dukkham. Kumbhakarna. So that Machar also cannot wake you up. Or go into coma. Just open eyes before death. मेरा आयु हो गया क्या, खत्म हो गया, मैं जाऊं, जाओ. So options are deep sleep till you die or coma till you die. You wake up, these are unavoidable. मजा आएगा ना? That is what Bhagavan Krishna said. And another lesson, excellent, beautiful lesson. So in life, Bhagavan Krishna says, see one thing, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा, करने का मन नहीं लग रहा है, अब मैं कर्म नहीं करूंगा. भगवान कहते हैं, you cannot avoid action. Why? Because hunger, you eat food, breathing is an activity, blood circulation is an activity, heartbeat is an activity, digestion is an activity. Can you live without action? Even winking is an activity. तो कर्म के बिना कोई रह नहीं सकता. You cannot avoid work. If you are born, you have to go to school. ए बोला ये शुरू, तब से नरक. You cannot avoid. I became a Swami, then Mike will come in front of you, even if you don't want. स्वामी जी आ गए, 2 शब्द बोलेंगे, भाई खाने के लिए बुलाया है कि बोलने के लिए? नो, खाना बाद में, पहले बोलो, बाद में देखते हैं. ठीक से बोला तो 2 सब्जी मिलेगा, ठीक से नहीं बोला तो 1 ही सब्जी मिलेंगे. तो हमारा चैलेंज देखिए. दिस इज अनएक्सपेक्टेड टॉक फॉर मी. I thought I will do my enjoy करेंगे, मस्ती करेंगे. अविनाश जी फोन किया, क्या कर रहे हो सुबह? कुछ नहीं, मच्छर मारने वाला हूँ, तो 12:30 बजे आ जाओ। बोले आऊँगा। नहीं आए तो स्वामी क्यों बना? सो वर्क कैन नॉट बी अवॉइडेड। ओ माय गॉड, देयरफॉर हमारे कोई ऑप्शन, भगवत गीता सेज यू हैव नो ऑप्शन टू वर्क और नॉट टू वर्क, ओनली यू हैव ऑप्शन इंटेलिजेंटली वर्क और अनइंटेलिजेंटली वर्क, study or not no study. For a student there is no option, either study brilliantly, intelligently, content with contentment and go ahead, or study guide books and question paper and sleep in the examination hall and get 0 marks and purchase a begging bowl after raising public funds from public. मेरे बेगिंग बोल देना है, 10 रुपए दोगे? कितना लगेगा? 200 रुपया, 10-10 रुपए में बेगिंग बोल करना पड़ेगा भाई, भूख तो होती है ना. So you cannot avoid action. So only choice is intelligent action alone is our choice, Bhagavan Krishna said. For which we have to learn from a teacher how to act intelligently. No option. Our mothers are there. Can I avoid cooking? In the dream only you may try. In a dream also your husband will come. क्या बना रहे हो? You can try in dream. In deep sleep state, of course. Otherwise, no, you cannot avoid cooking. At least Indian women, wow, almost all mothers and all over the world same. And some people dream, what? बहू आने के बाद मैं काम छोड़ दूंगी, और बहू आने के बाद बहु कर्म हो जाएगा. बहू माने ज्यादा, उसको भी सिखाना पड़ता है. है मैं खुद कर लेती थी काम 5 मिनट में, ये आने के बाद आधा घंटा लगता था. ज्यादा परेशान ज्यादा हो गए मेरे, क्या करूं? ओ माय गॉड. सो देयरफॉर माय डियर, डोंट एस्केप वर्क. You cannot. So intelligent work or unintelligent work, you have choice. Okay, then Bhagavan Krishna says, in life, another lesson I'm telling you, in life you will succeed, you will be cheerful, you will be happy if you know how to attain balance in life. Not like Zelensky before Trump. Lost his school and then he lost his school. Then वहां पे क्या हुआ? ओवल में महाभारत. Then I'll try, get out of my Oval Office. भीख मांगने गए हो, थोड़ा नम्रता चाहिए ना. मांगने गया तू, ये कुछ बोल भी दिया. स्टूडेंट, father mother may scold students and children should become quite normal. Just teacher may scold, be humble. Teacher may be wrong, parent may be wrong, but that you can prove later on. That moment don't flare up. पापा मुझे डांट रहे थे ना कल. हाँ डांटा, मैं सच बताऊं? बताओ. और जब कॉफी चाय पीते तब उस समय you wanted to know, ना दिमाग नहीं है. गीता will teach you what to do, when to do, how to do, why to do, where to do, how long to do, and when to withdraw. If you study Gita, you will understand. Father is getting fed up. He is right now not in a position to think. Like Arjuna, never mind. Like Krishna, I must keep quiet. Think. So, what we should do? Bhagavan Krishna says, equanimity in life is necessary. Teaching great lesson, balance. समत्वम योग उच्यते. और 5 मिनट है मेरे पास, हाफ एन आवर के लिए. समत्वम योग उच्यते. गीता says, come what may, don't lose your balance. There's a balance in respiration, health is there. If respiration में बिगड़ गया balance, in breath and out breath, that is called disease. Okay, And another important letter. Lesson 2, Arjuna is, Bhagavan Krishna says, seek refuge in buddhi, not in the mind. Mind is हमेशा डोलायमान है, मन चंचल है, मन घुमाता है. So don't take support of the mind, confusing mind, agitating mind, confounding mind. Such a mind we should not take shelter. But we are always supporting the mind, overruling the buddhi. बुद्धि कहती है भाई हाँ एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं पढ़ो, टीचर्स कहते हैं एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं कम से कम पूरा सिलेबस अच्छे ढंग से पढ़ा दो. बुद्धि कहती है जो भी है काम करो. मन बोलते हैं बहुत हो गया, हर साल यही बोलते बोलते मैं थक गई हूँ, बस आई एम प्रेइंग नाउ फॉर व्हाट, रिटायरमेंट. हाउ ओल्ड आर यू? 42. 42 रिटायरमेंट. Oh, you are tired of speaking? Yes, Swami ji. वही सब्जेक्ट बार बार बोलना पड़ रहा है. ठीक है, आई विल प्रे टू गॉड सिलेबस विल चेंज. नो 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 नो, ये अच्छा है. Syllabus change में another problem again. Syllabus change में another again preparation. We don't know what kind of syllabus will come. New educational policy. So we are neither willing to change nor willing to continue what we are doing it. That is our pathetic condition, I tell you. So Bhagavan Krishna says, Buddhau Sharanamanvichya. Beautiful thing. Seek refuge in wisdom, hey Arjuna. Don't seek refuge in the confusing mind. Gita teaches us, seek refuge in wisdom. बुद्धि से काम करो, मन से नहीं. मन तो चंचल है. Don't bank upon the mind. And important, another one. In life, very important. All of you, whether a student or a mother or a father, whatever human, we are all human beings. Bhagavan Krishna says, remember, every one of you, without exception, including me, we are all Sreshta Purushas. Because there is always somebody who is following us. Not in Instagram and X and Y and Z. In life, there are so many people. Children are looking up to parents, how mother talks, how my father talks, and students are looking up to teachers, and elder brothers are looked upon by younger ones, or the other friends are looking upon you. So you are always on spotlight. So Bhagavan Krishna says, since you cannot avoid the spotlight, since we are all Sreshta Purushas, best people, because there is always somebody to follow us, Bhagavan Krishna, if you want to really live happily and also inspiring others, demonstrate in your life certain principles and values. Not bolna, demonstrating. If teacher says, don't get angry, and she angrily says that, ma'am, what did you say? But what do you want to tell me? If teacher says that angrily, and student, suppose teacher says to student, don't react. That is called student way. You overreacting. हम किसी से कम नहीं. No, demonstrate. I never reacted. But this is what? What is it now? Is it a reaction or not? Do you get angry? I never get angry. Did you see me having a time in life that getting angry? Oh my God. So demonstrate values. A leader, all the students who are listening here, and teachers also, better listen now. If you don't demonstrate, you are not going to be a leader. यज्जदाचरित्य श्रेष्ठ तत्तदेवे यतरो जनः सहयत् प्रमाणम कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते. Very socialism of highest order. you have to, whatever higher ups do, the follower will. But everybody is being looked upon. I mean, looking up to you by somebody else. So everybody is a leader because there are always many followers. You may not know them, but they are looking at you. So Krishna says, in life, if you want to succeed, demonstrate values. And last one I tell you, very important subject. Bhagavan Krishna also taught us in Gita how to manage your moods. कभी डिप्रेशन, कभी ओवर एक्टिविटी, कभी lowness, कभी vicious thinking, कभी कभी pleasant thinking. The moods constantly change. They're called moody people. Moods. And the moods change, it becomes a psychological disease. If they are such a horrible condition, then you have to go to psychiatrist for some tablets and counseling and guidance, etc. The moods constant, sometime pleasant, sometime overactivity and exertion or anger, etc., passion, lust, greed, sometime non-commitment, laziness, postponement. These are all the moods of the mind. Bhagavan Krishna taught us how to study your own mind, how to study those moods and how to correct them so that you can achieve the path, achieve your own success, achieve your own goals, and beautifully treading the path of glorious path of success and achievement in life. If you know how to handle the moods of your mind, you can. Hey, suppose my mind says tomorrow exam, but mind want to sleep or want to watch TV. There's a mood coming up. If I know how to handle that mood, eliminate it and create an environment in my mind to study, to inspire myself, to motivate myself, bring sattvic qualities again up. If I can create that, I will never be a failure. So this, how to handle these moods of mind is also a great subject taught in Bhagavad Gita. Okay, I think this is enough. बोलना है तो I can talk one month non-stop. Non-stop. Huh? That much is a content in Gita. I just scribbled some points. आने से पहले तो यही दे पॉइंट बोलने. But how Gita benefits you, I think you got the message. Okay? Thank you so much. Hari Om.
Any question? So बच्चों अच्छा लगा?
Yes, मैं wait. दम नहीं है क्या? जवाब देना तो ठीक से दो या तो चुपचाप बैठो. You're collapsing, guys. What did I say just now? You should know how to respond, what to respond, why to respond. पूछो, respond देना ठीक से. She's asking you, yes or no, beneficial, not. You are free to utter, na, but say reply properly. पिज्जा खाओगे? हाँ. चलो.
So, one announcement for everybody. No age bar. No, you have heard 10 points. In the evening, there is a talk on how to be tips for tension-free life. टीचर से पूछो, मैडम बहुत टेंशन है, आज बड़े पीरियड लगा दिए, वो छुट्टी लेके बैठ गया, हमारी एडजस्टमेंट लग गई. बच्चों से पूछो, लॉट ऑफ टेंशन, दिस दैट, सिलेबस टू मच. बेटा, no doubt, as Swamiji has told us, action is required. That's from our side. But at least I know for everything we need guidance. And for that, some guru is required. And guidance, you can just note down some tips how to live tension-free life. It's for the teachers also, for the students also. Talk is at 6 o'clock. 6:30. 6:30. Try to come to Chinmay Mission. And for Bhavans in Chinmay Mission, punctuality is there. 6:30 means 6:30. You can just convey to your parents also, maybe your neighbors. Anybody can come. And if you want to come, we will be very happy. Because Chairman sir hamesha कहते हैं, catch them young. You are not young. But for this topic, I think you need to be there. Thank you, Swamiji, for these tips, and we have noted down because in our life also we just
Yes.
sometimes passes through these situations, maybe tension, maybe sometimes stress, not relying on our intellect. We work like we just listen to our mind. Thank you. And again, one announcement. Try to be in Chinmaya Mission Ashram, Ranjit Avenue at 6:30. Thank you.
ये बार बार मैं कल से सुन रहा हूँ ना, टेंशन फ्री लाइफ, टिप्स फॉर टेंशन फ्री लाइफ, सुन सुन के मेरा टेंशन बढ़ रहा है अभी. चलो ठीक है. ये
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव